Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Benjamin here. Today we will be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max as you're already ready on the title. So without any more further ado, let's get right into business. The box is pretty standard from Apple. You got a minimal and elegant picture on the front, and on the side you got the iPhone logo and the iPhone Apple logo on top, and on the back you got the storage and the color of your iPhone. Now let's open it up. The peeling is always satisfying. I can never get over the peeling of the iPhone. Now let's open it up, and there it is, the beautiful black titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max in all its glory. It's also available in several colors, such as the natural titanium, the white titanium, and the blue titanium. Now let's put aside the phone and let's see what comes in the box. This year Apple have finally brought the USB-C to USB-C to our iPhone, finally. And we also have the usual documentation that comes in the box, the SIM card ejector and the iconic Apple sticker. I don't know who even uses these stickers anymore. Okay, now that we are done with all this paper, we're going to go back to the main event. Let's put this box on the side and let's peel this film or paper off. And peekaboo, there I am. So the phone, it looks clean, nice. It feels fantastic in the hand. Got a premium build, but as usual, the black models, you can already see a bunch of fingerprints on all over the device. On the left side of the phone, you can see the brand new action button and the same ejector plate, and on the back you can see the cameras, and underneath you have the normal and amazing brand new USB Type-C. Now let's turn on the device and let's see. Wow, beautiful screen as always. Now I want to check the action button. So they say you double tap the action button to silence or turn on the ringtone back on. That's pretty neat. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to help a small YouTuber out. If you have any ideas, any questions, please comment it down below. And until next time, bye.